Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be trying the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Mini Mint Palette. Whew, a lot of M's there, mint, mini, mint, mini. I'm going to be trying this palette on. As you guys know, Makeup Revolution have come up with so many chocolate bar palettes. Like I've got the original chocolate bar palette, which was the melt chocolate, and then I've got the white chocolate palette. I believe they've got a salted caramel palette. They've got so many different palettes. Obviously, they are a great dupe for the Too Faced chocolate bar palettes, but don't get me wrong, the Too Faced chocolate bar palettes are amazing. They are superb quality. They blend really, really nicely. But obviously, everyone is on a budget, so if you can't afford the Too Faced one, then Makeup Revolution do a great dupe one at a fraction of the price. I've tried so many of the chocolate bar palettes, as you guys know, in my previous videos, but I've never tried the mini version before, so I thought I'd sort of try this on, create a look, you know, first impressions. If you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here, where I tend to post my YouTube content and Instagram content here and there. So let us get started by giving my first impressions with the Chocolate Mini Mint Eyeshadow Palette by I Heart Revolution. Okay, so I've just brought you guys a little bit closer. So I've been on the Subdrug website. This palette retails for £6. They also have a mini orange version as well, because I believe that one is the chocolate orange. They also do sell the full size of these palettes as well. So they do sell the big chocolate mint and the big chocolate orange as well, but we'll give this little one a go today because I've never tried the little mini one before, so it's quite exciting. So you open the box and you can see the design is really cute. So you just got this little green chocolate bar, but it's like a gradient. So you have like a gradient from green to light green to white. And inside you have a gorgeous mirror, like every Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette does. You have 4 shimmers and 4 mattes, which I think that's pretty standard actually for a mini eyeshadow palette. I think that's actually quite nice. They've got that nice balance of shimmers and mattes. So yes, I must say this palette is gorgeous. I absolutely love the design. The only thing I wish they took one of those colors out and replaced it with another matte color. So maybe like another a light transition color, so maybe like another light cream color, or just another light brown, so then you've got something else light to work with. But apart from that, this is an absolute gorgeous palette and I cannot wait to try this. Right, so I'm going to start off with the warm tone brown, which is really nice to that unique eyeshadow, which is that light shimmery, well, it's like a light shimmery color, but it's actually like got a bit of glitter in it. It's really unique and I really like that shimmery glittery color, so I'm going to use that warm brown. So I'm just going to take a studio brush, Superdrug studio brush, just going to grab this color, just going to work this in the crease. Oh, I have already primed my eyes. I've used my Essence Eye Stage eyeshadow base. As you guys know, that is my holy favorite eyeshadow base, so that's what I've used today. So far very pigmented. Like the eyeshadows are a bit powdery, so just be a little bit careful. Well, I must say that eyeshadow is very, very pigmented, but it doesn't surprise me with Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes. So I'm going to go in with that nice light orangey color. I'm going to take my absolutely beloved Essence Eye Blender brush. You guys know I'm obsessed with this brush. I recommend this brush 100%. Not only it's super affordable, but it is so multifunctional. It's so soft. You can use this to blend your eyeshadows, use it for highlighter. This is just great. 100% recommend this brush. Recommend this brush. Recommend this brush. So just going to dip into the orange color. Oh, very pigmented. And I'm going to just start blending out this brown because it's looking a little bit crazy. Oh my gosh guys, these eyeshadows were just effortless to blend. I'm so impressed. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the cool toned brown now, so the darker brown one. So I'm just gonna pat that on an Urban Decay brush. This is from the Alison Wonderland collection, this brush. So just gonna pick up this one, just gonna pack that on the outer edge, just to make it a little bit darker. Just gonna go in with the same brush, my Essence eye blending brush, and just blending that colour and that in together. Right, so I've just cut my lid now, so I am going to grab that shimmery bronzy colour now. So I'm just going to grab that, just going to grab a BH Cosmetics 102 brush. So I'm just going to spritz my brush. Oh god, that really does look metallic already. So just going to apply that. Wow. Oh my god, that is bronzy. Oh my god. Yeah, that eyeshadow definitely works well wet or dry, but it definitely has come out a lot more foiled. So I'm going to grab that colour that's really been fascinating me for ages, which is that really sparkly white colour. It's stunning. It looks so pretty. I'm just going to pat this on the centre of the lid. Just see if that does anything. Ooh, adds a very sparkly shimmer to the lid. Okay, so I'm just going to go back in with that cool toned brown. Just going to start blending in the edges so it doesn't look like boldish lines, like they are sort of blended in with the eyeshadow. Just go back in with my Essence brush as well, just to make sure they're blended in together nicely as well. Righty, so now I'm going to create a wing. I haven't created a wing in quite a while, but I found this at the bottom of my drawer, and I used to be obsessed with this eyeliner. This was pure black, it was easy to apply. I'm not sponsored by e.l.f., but this is the e.l.f. Intense Ink Eyeliner. This is an amazing eyeliner, and it's got a really nice little thin tip to it as well. It's just easy to apply. It's just so good. So I'm just going to start creating a wing. Hey guys, so I've just done my eyeliner. I must say, I'm really happy with my eyeliner. I found this as a really good tip. I've only just learnt this now, which I actually found was really helpful. When you're doing your when you're doing your eyeliner, so when you're doing the tail, when you've done your try and aim for the tip of your eyebrow, if that makes any sense. So just aim it there. So it goes sort of like tip to tip, you know, like with corners, corner to corner. Aim the corner for the corner, and then you're guaranteed to get it just exactly the same height. So anyway, sorry, that was just a random tip I just found out there. So if that's any help to you, then yeah. So I'm just going to do the rest of my base makeup, and we'll finish off the eyes. yeah, just use the MUA Eye Define mascara. So I'm just going to start applying that to my eyelashes. Okay, so I'm just going to tightline my upper lash line. This is just the Kiko Milano Fine Art Eye Pencil. It's from their Artiste collection. They don't make this anymore. I just grabbed a random pencil just to tightline my upper lash line. Oh, by the way, the false lashes, these are the Moon Pie false lashes, and they're in the style Nicole, by the way. I love these lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna go on my lower lash line now. I'm so attracted to that teal color, that green teal color, so I'm gonna grab that color, and I'm just gonna grab a little pencil brush. This is BH Cosmetics 105 brush. I'm not sure if these BH Cosmetic brushes you can get anymore. I bought them ages ago from TK Maxx, so just gonna grab that. Just gonna start running that on the lower lash line. Okay, right, to finish off the eyes, right, I am going to go in with the light golden colour. Just going to take the other end of that Urban Decay brush. I'm going to just run that here. Right, dusting the brush off. I'm just going to take the very light colour now, so the white light colour, and I'm going to place that under my brow bone for a little bit of lift. Right, I'm going to finish the look off with some setting spray. And this one is the Barry Flawless Fist and Mix Illuminating Finish Setting Spray. Right guys, so I've just taken my hair down and styled it now. So this is the completed look. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So my final thoughts on this palette. 100% recommend this palette. This palette is just as good quality as any of the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes. This is superb. It's got some beautiful colors in it. Like I said, I wish they took probably like this color and changed it for another matte, so something maybe a little bit lighter brown or something, or like a cool tone brown but just a little bit lighter, so there's another transition color. But apart from that, this is a stunning palette. I would recommend this for beginners, so people who, like young people or older people who are just trying to get into makeup. This palette would be perfect because it's not too many colors. And I find also as well, sometimes with the big palettes it can get really overwhelming because you're a bit like, what color do I choose? Oh my god, there's too much to look at. So for people who don't like those big gigantic palettes, this is great. And especially for on the go as well, because you've got a nice little mirror. So yeah, definitely would recommend this palette. And I just love how this eye look has come out. The eyeshadows, as I said to you before, the mattes just blended so beautifully. The shimmers were great. This one here, the one that I said, the glittery one, the one that has a bit of glitter in it, I do warn you on that one. The glitter does come off a little bit and does come on the face, so just be careful. Probably use a wet brush, so spray your brush when you apply this eyeshadow because the glitter does fall out a little bit. So that's all I can say about it really. So yeah, definitely recommend this palette. Love this. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram right here, where I tend to post my YouTube and Instagram content here and there. I do have a discount code for these Moon Pie eyelashes if you really like them. They're in the style Nicole. Code is in the description bar below, so you can save yourself some money at checkout. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.